Feel like you've fallen totally behind? Let's dive into the actual science of starting over.
Failed a degree? Lost a career? You might be wondering, am I just too late? Nope.
You aren't too late at all. You're probably just undertrained in the actual skill of restarting.
See, starting over isn't some chaotic leap. It's a highly structured step-by-step process anyone can learn.
The old mindset says your pain defines you, but science actually says pain is just data.
With a real growth mindset, difficulty becomes diagnostic training data, not a final verdict on your worth.
Adulthood doesn't mean you're stuck. Thanks to neuroplasticity, your brain structurally rewires itself based on practice.
Studies on taxi drivers prove adult brains physically change. Your current abilities reflect past practice, not fate. Get this, forming a real-world habit takes anywhere from 18 to 254 days. Missing one day? Totally fine.
So, ditch the heroic motivation. Strong habits actually rely on tiny, repeatable actions and stable environmental cues.
And resilience isn't just lone wolf toughness. It's built through very ordinary supports like routine and community connection.
Stop relying on vague intentions. What beginners really need are specific learning goals paired with if-then plans. Like, if I miss a day, then I just resume tomorrow. It gives you a default, guilt-free response.
Look at Olympian Hidilene Diaz. Her early career losses were literally just training data, not final verdicts.
Everyday folks like Zara, Francis, and Jeanette successfully repurposed past experiences using alternative learning and vocational reskilling.
Vera Wang and Colonel Sanders built empires at 40+. Even Samuel L. Jackson proves post-rehab recovery works.
None of their timelines matched up. You aren't too old or broken, you're just between chapters right now.
Ready for your toolkit? First, pick one domain, write a 30-day learning goal, and shrink that daily habit.
Next up, anchor it to a daily cue, write your if-then rescue plan, and build one ordinary support.
Starting over only becomes believable when it becomes behavioral. Take just one visible action within 24 hours.
You really aren't left behind forever. Start humbly, start imperfectly, and start again today.
So, I gotta ask, what specific area of your life will you bravely start again with today?